Alright guys, so here's how to add blank page in Microsoft Word document. It's quite simple and easy thing to do, so let's get started. So you've probably seen someone making a blank page, or most of you make the blank page like hitting enter after enter after enter and make a blank page like this. But this is not the ideal way to make a blank page. For my case, I want a blank page after this paragraph. All right, so we need to move our cursor right here. As you can see, it's blinking. Then hit enter to make a space between the paragraph, and then on the upper side you need to select the insert option, and then under this you will see the blank page. So you need to tap on the blank page, and that's how you can make a blank page after the paragraph. All right, as you can see, we got a blank page after this paragraph like here. Now you can type anything, insert any photo and anything you want. So that's how you can make a blank page in Microsoft Word. It is the perfect way to do so. So I have taught you that. So thank you so much guys for watching and have a very good day.